I turn on the light? No? Okay. Good plan. For now, meet Henry, Mikey,
Oh, hey.
Pleasure to meet you.
Mary, and Augusta.
Hey.
These are my sweetmates. These guys live here.
These are the sweet mates.
What's wrong with you?
Do you go to lecture?
No?
Are you okay?
I'm confused by
I'm
your
trying to read here.
Yeah,
I'm sorry, I just watched this really funny YouTube video.
Oh, okay. I was like, so is that?
Yeah.
Like in 10 minutes? I'm just gonna stop you. Took like 2 seconds.
I'm gonna read.
I gotta see this video you're watching. It must be really.
It's hilarious. The sound's off though,
There
that's
you
what makes it
go.
even funnier.
Writing utensil with somebody on it?
I took this pen off the ground.
I got one.
I usually write with my fingernail.
Oh, good.
With
How
your
does
what?
that
I use my own blood.
Yeah.
That's creepy.
Not gonna read.
Have you studied a lot for this exam?
I haven't studied yet. It's really shiny.
Who's your secret admirer?
Who, me?
Somebody wrote his
Yeah, I
notes.
gave my notes to someone.
Ooh. Which yours?
Uh-oh.
Was it a guy?
Yeah, it is.
So it's probably me.
Mikey.
Is my tan line still there? Okay, I can look. I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
The box, the box. Okay, that's
Pretty much.
I don't know how to get rid of that. Like, I can't just like sit out, because then the darker part will get darker as well.
Just make a sunscreen box. Or just
Yeah.
paint the rest of yourself.
Yeah, but then this might get more tan. I don't know. It's gonna have a permanent box. That sucks. Oh well. I like boxes.